Hello, this is Dipayan Banerjee. This is my final project on the foundation design for a building. So according to the problem, we are going to define the materials, that is the M40 concrete and the HYSD 500 rebar. Next we will define the slab properties, that is the mat footing. Next we will define the column properties. There are two types of column given, the 500 by 500 and 600 by 600. After that, we will define the soil subgrade properties, where the subgrade modulus has been calculated from the given problem. So after that, we will define the load patterns, load cases, and the load combinations respectively. So after that, we will draw the slab areas using the mat footing. After drawing the slab areas, we will draw the columns using, first we will draw the 500 by 500 columns, and then we will draw the 600 by 600 columns as given in this problem. Next, we will draw the design strips. There will be 4 vertical strips and 4 horizontal strips, that is along A and B respectively. So after this, we will select the grid points and we will select each grid point and assign the load data, define namely dead and live loads respectively. That has also been mentioned in the problem. After all these live and dead loads are assigned for each and every column, we will run the analysis. After running the analysis, we will run the run analysis and design. After running the analysis, we will display the punching shear design, and here we can see that each and every column has values less than 1, which passes the analysis test. So our design is perfect for a building, and here we find a various number of detailings which we can use for further purposes, like the river plan. This is the given. Then we have the reinforcement profiles for layer A and B respectively. Then we can use the sections, elevation sections. We can also see the various amounts of strip forces, that is moment, shear force and torsion for layer A, B respectively, using this display option. So this is the end of our project, and thanks to the Skyfi Labs for providing me an opportunity. Thanks a lot.